Hello and welcome to the Manifesting Report for May 2022. I am Rachel Avalon. I'm a spiritual coach, angel channel, and healer. I work very closely with the angels to help ambitious spiritual women to achieve the success, the freedom, and the abundance that they know they were born for. So the way this works is I'm going to give you an overview of the energies for this month overall, and then you can choose numbers 1, 2, or 3 from the images below, and you will receive a more personalized message from the angels meant for you on what you need to know that's most important for you to work with. So go ahead and choose numbers 1, 2, or 3, or any combination of those, and let me know what you chose below. And so we're kicking off this month with a powerful new moon eclipse that is setting us up for some amazing manifesting energy for this entire month. New moons are all about getting really clear and honest with yourself on what your heart and soul truly desire, and then setting the wheels in motion for new, fresh energy to flow to your manifestation, to flow to your goals, to open up to receive new opportunities, the next level of opportunities, to receive abundance, success with your goals and dreams. And the angels are absolutely there helping you every step of the way to do this. And when you call in the angels and the moon together to work with for manifestation, it amplifies the energy so much. If you need help with that, I have a free guide on how to work with the angels and the moon together to accelerate your manifestation. And the link is below. The angels are saying that overall May is about expansion, growth, tuning into your soul's desires even more, tapping into what you came here to do, maximizing your potential, and starting off the month by getting ultra clear on what it is that you really want to focus on, not the things that you think you should focus on or the things that your heart doesn't truly want to be doing. It's about getting really clear on the things that light you up, the pathways that your soul is really drawn to going, and being honest with yourself where those things might have changed and what tweaks and shifts you might need to make in order to create more and more expansion and open up to more and more possibilities for expanding your vision, expanding your horizons. And again, don't forget to call on the angels to help you to do that. This is where the angels are so powerful to help us with our manifestations. They can help give us a boost of strength, of courage. They can hold that space for us to help us to move through to that next level. They also have this powerful capacity to bridge the higher realms and the earthly dimension, which is really what manifestation is all about. It's taking what's in your mind's eye, what's in the energetic plane, and bringing it down into the earth realm to create this reality on earth into your life here and now. And I have a really special announcement that I'm super excited to share with you guys. If you would like to receive monthly guidance and support from the angels to help you to manifest your biggest goals and to accelerate the manifesting process so that you can achieve that next level of abundance and success and freedom that your heart and soul desire, I'd love to invite you to check out my new membership community called Angel Magic. And for the next 50 people who sign up, it is only $8 a month. And you're going to get monthly manifestation trainings from the angels. You're also going to get a personalized reading from the angels each month. We're going to do live group angel channeling sessions live on Zoom, where you can ask a question of the angels about a goal or situation that you need help with, and I will channel the messages from the angels to help you to move forward so that you have the clarity and confidence to know which steps to take next on your path to call in the next level of your goals and dreams, plus a bunch of really cool bonuses. So the link to that is below as well. So go ahead and check that out. Okay, so now let's get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you chose number 1, this is all about expanding your horizons and your vision. And this message is coming to you from Archangel Uriel, who's letting you know that your perspective is changing at this time. You're going to have a perspective shift because your vibration is increasing. Your vibration is raising higher and higher at the moment, which is causing you to have new inspiration and a new perspective on things. And he is letting you know that you are going to receive a massive download of clarity where things start to make more sense, where you're going to see the bigger picture coming together more, And you may actually have some new insights about which direction you want to go in. And he's letting you know that it is safe for you to expand your horizons at this time. He knows that it might feel a little bit uncomfortable, that it might feel a little bit scary to release some old patterns, old beliefs, or even, old ways of doing things. He's letting you know that you're being called to dream bigger than before. That because your vibration is increasing so rapidly and you are opening up to so much growth at this time, he wants you to tap into your soul's desires, your heart's desires, to get really clear on what you desire, to trust those desires, to trust the desires of your soul, to know that your big dreams and goals were given to you for a reason, that is because they are your soul speaking to you, and that it is all possible for you to achieve. You can call upon Archangel Uriel if you're feeling stuck or confused in any way, or you want some help with clarifying this vision, with getting clear on what it is that you desire. He's always there to help you get clarity. And he's letting you know that there are so many more amazing opportunities and possibilities on the horizon for you. Your potential is expanding exponentially all the time. If you chose number 2, this is all about uncovering the depths of your soul. And this message comes to you from Archangel Metatron. And he's letting you know that May is a time for you to have tons of spiritual growth and for you to start looking at the many layers, the intricate layers that are going on within your soul that make up who you truly are. He's saying that you have started to delve into them, but there's an even deeper level that you need to go into, and that you're going to be called to do this in the month of May. So you're going to be doing some soul searching, but he said it's all about creativity. So it's like there's a surge of creativity flowing through you that's helping you to see other parts of yourself that maybe were more dormant before, or maybe you weren't even aware that they were there, but they're going to be coming more to the surface. And he wants you to know that every single aspect of yourself is worthy and valid. Every single feeling, emotion that you have is worthy and valid. Every part of yourself makes up who you are, even the parts that you maybe didn't want to look at before, or maybe weren't as confident about before. Every single aspect of you, he's saying it's almost like a kaleidoscope that's twisting and turning and coming together in the most beautiful ways, that he is helping you to see these other parts of yourself and to bring them all together, and that this is opening up amazing new opportunities for you, for expansion, for soul growth, for spiritual development, and for synchronicities to flow to you. Because the more that you tap in to who you truly are, the more connected you are with your soul and these depths of your soul, the more in alignment you're going to be with your purpose, with your potential, with the universe. And that is going to unlock so much opportunity for abundance for you. If you chose number 3, this is all about finding your rhythm and being in sync. So this message is coming to you from Archangel Raphael and Archangel Haniel. They're saying you're going to find the next level of being in sync, being in tune with your heart and soul, and finding a balance also between what your heart and soul desire and what your earthly body needs to support your physical body as well, so that things can run more smoothly, so that you can get more done and be even more productive without it feeling like extra work, with feeling less stress and less burden. So this is really all about bringing more ease into your life, bringing more ease and flow, so that you can tap into your soul's full potential more easily, so that you can accelerate your manifestation, so that you don't have to feel as weighed down by kind of clunky energy. They're describing it like heavier energy. Anywhere you don't feel like you're getting to recharge your batteries enough, or where things feel a little bit like they're not moving forward as quickly as you'd like, or where things feel a little bit like heavier energy around your goals and even around your day-to-day routines, they want you to look at this and start to switch things up. And if you're not quite sure what changes to make or how to make them, again, call in the support of the angels of the universe, any angel you wish to call upon, but Archangel Raphael and Archangel Haniel are stepping forward for you at this time to help you to release any stagnant energy that might be weighing you down from the past. It can be energetic stuff that we don't even realize we're carrying around us, and to open up to this fresh, vibrant, new energy that is coming through, because all of this is helping you to create more of that flow energy and finding that rhythm that works well for your body, your mind, and your soul so that you can have greater ease to open up to these amazing, expanding opportunities for abundance, for that next level of success to flow to you. So those are all the messages for the month of May. I hope you enjoyed them. Make sure to let me know below if you chose numbers 1, 2, or 3 and how the messages resonated with you. And don't forget to check out the Angel Magic membership. The next 50 people to sign up will get in for just $8. Those spots are already starting to fill up, so make sure to check that out at the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing month of May, sending so many blessings to you.